Hello gorgeous people, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here then welcome. Today we have a video named no makeup look. Is a makeup that I like to wear very often because it's easier, faster, and yeah. Okay, let's get started. So for my face I will use this cream Chica Pear from Dr. Jart. They say here color correcting treatment. When I like to wear this look, I don't put foundation. I only put this face cream, which is also SPF 30, and I like it very much. It's this one. Let me read you the directions. They say like this: after using toner and serum, apply a moderate amount onto sensitized skin. The protecting treatment will change from green to beige to correct any redness to even out skin tone before makeup application. I used it before. Before I start this video, I just drop it on the floor and I'm very surprised that it didn't broke. I will put everywhere on my face. It looks like this. Is green, light green. I will blend it with my fingers. I don't think a beauty blender will help. This is not a foundation, as I said. This is a face cream that corrects the skin color if you need it. Maybe I should use a mirror because I don't see very good there. Now I will use a little bit of concealer in my eyes area. I will try to put not so much. Okay, this is enough. Now with my finger I will just blend it a little bit. Okay, and now that my eyes area is light enough, I will do my eyebrows. I will use this one from Catrice, you already know it. But I will not insist very much because it's a natural look. I will just fill them in and I will put a little bit of fixing gel and that's it. Shouldn't be too graphic. I will use a little bit of powder, especially in my eyes area. I fix my concealer. I will not put powder on my entire face because I want it like this, a little bit glowy. I will not use bronzer because I don't think I need in this case, but I will use some blush because for me pink cheeks means a fresh makeup. So I will use this palette that you already know and I will put some color here. I will use also a little bit of highlighter. Now for my eyes I will use this palette. It's from Sleek. I never used it before. I will take this color from here and I will put it in on my entire eyelid just to give a little bit more light. This palette from Makeup Revolution, I will use this shade from here and I will put it in my crease, but just a little bit. On my lower lash line, I will use also the same colors that I use on my eyelid. I'm not sure if you can see there what I did. I'm going to put you a little bit closer. I hope you can see that it's a little bit of color there. That's the point. Now I will use mascara. This one from Clinique is a very nice one. I will not put mascara on the lower lashes. And for my lips, I will use two products, this pencil and this cream lipstick. I think it's a little bit too much for my lips, but I like how it looks because my eyes are not very strong. And this is everything. Let's do something with my hair. What do you think about this no makeup look? I find it very easy to make and very easy to wear. And summer is coming. Usually in the summer I like to wear a lot this type of makeup. Okay guys, this is everything. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. In the description box you have also my Facebook and my Instagram, and let's be friends also there if you want. See you guys in my next video. Bye!